Rainbow Music channel. My name is Tatiana. In this video, I'll take you through each step of teaching preschoolers to learn their finger numbers. I found this topic is very interesting, but so far there is no video designed for teaching little kids. By the end of the video, you will know how to teach your child to press the key on the piano with a particular finger number, with absolutely no hesitation.
Hello everybody!
Today we're gonna talk about finger numbers. I have 2 hands. Do you have 2 hands?
Yeah.
You do have 2 hands. I have 5 fingers on the right hand. And I have 5 fingers on the left hand.
And I have a 5.
Thumbs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Finger number 1. Wiggle finger number 1. Wiggle finger number 1. Jiggle finger number 1. Okay. Finger number 2. Hello, hello. Let's say hello. Hello, finger number 2. Okay. Wiggle finger number 3. Wiggle finger number 3. Kristinchka, wiggle finger number 3. Good. Wiggle finger number 4.
Wiggle.
Finger number 4. Wiggle finger number 4. Wiggle finger number 5. The baby pinky is 5. Let's pretend this is a butterfly. How's the butterfly flying? Show me the movement of the hand. Flying butterfly. Relax and just fly. And look, my butterfly just saw a flower and it's going right here. With the finger number 3. What about your butterfly? It's going to the pencil.
The butterfly exercise helps to practice finger numbers and relaxing the wrist at the piano.
This is the finger number?
3.
Very good. Can your butterfly fly and sit on the flower as a finger number 2? Let's go. Let's fly, fly, fly. See the flower? And finger number 2. Okay, fly away. Fly away, fly away. Okay, butterfly, another butterfly with the finger number 5. 5. Thumbs up. It's finger number 1. And we need finger number 5. Where is the finger number 5?
This.
The baby pinky. Where is the baby? This guy. Very good. Okay, let's do last one. We're gonna do flying finger number 1. Right on the edge. Where is you? Good.
Do you want to know what kids like the most in learning finger numbers? Hand tracing is one of the kids' favorite activities. They like drawing faces and writing finger numbers on it. Let me draw a face for this finger. Here are eyes, nose, and a smile. This finger likes to wear a baseball cap. I will write number 1 about this finger so as to remember. Would you like to draw faces for other fingers? Does your kids like stories? Let's make one. Making a story with your kids' favorite characters develops imagination and motivates them to make some extra practicing. Once upon a time, there was a brave boy named Ryder. He has a team of pups. They had a mission to find the lost piano of Mayor Goodway. They finally tracked the piano to the castle. Ryder decided that the castle was deserted, but when he tried to open the door, it was locked. Then he noticed the engraving on the keyboard on the door. He pressed the first finger on the keyboard.
Can you do it for me like a writer? Find finger number 1. Yes, and let's press any keys with the finger number 1. Okay. He heard a click, but the door was still locked. He pressed his finger number 2. Can you press with finger number 2? Very good. Then finger number 3. Good. Like a butterfly. Fly. Good. Now finger number 4. Good job. And finger number 5.
Who likes games? Everybody likes games. Learning through games will get your kid loving the learning process. The nest of the dinosaur. Eggs hatched. And here's a little dinosaur. Show me a little dinosaurs.
Here.
Yeah, and they're hungry. The first one, say, Second dinosaur, finger number 2, Finger number 3, So hungry, so hungry. Seal. Finger number 4. Hungry. Like this. Seal. And finger number 5. I will see you next week on my video about playing Blake Keys songs on the piano. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to my channel.